Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hema and today I'm starting off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I'm just patting that in, and then I'm going in with my LA Girl Orange Concealer and just color correcting before I apply my MAC Pro Longwear Foundation all over my face. The most common place forgotten when applying foundation is the ears, so just make sure you just touch those up so everything matches. And then going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealers in these two shades here, and that's just for highlighting and contouring. So today I decided I wanted to use my Beauty Blender to set my cream contour, and my Beauty Blender is a little bit damp, and that just, I feel, gives you a more flawless finish and just blended more. And then using this patting motion really does get it into your foundation and skin, and just it all blends so flawlessly. I'm then just going to fill my brows in with this Kajal eyeliner, and on one side actually is the eyeliner and the other side has a little brush to help with your application. I'm then just setting my contour with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Powder. I'm then just grabbing my James Charles palette by Morphe, and I'm using these 4 blue shades here today. And I'm just first going in with the royal blue shade right onto my eyelid, and then blending that out. I'm then just grabbing this pen eyeliner, and I'm creating my wing for today's look. Then I'm using a Kajal eyeliner, and I'm creating the shape that I want by extending the line from my wing inward, and I'm just doing that right onto my crease. Then for a little sparkle, I'm just going in with this Ulta glitter liner directly onto my lid. For lashes today, I'm using the Ardell Magnetic Liner and Lash in the Wispies, and so I'm just taking a little bit of the eyeliner on this wand, and I'm just applying it directly to my lash line and then attaching the eyelashes. Then I'm just going to brush away any excess powder and any fallout from my eyeshadow. I'm then just grabbing my palette by The Balm Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade Bahama Mama to set my contour and just bring a little color and life back into my face. And then I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder to set everything in place. Then from the same palette, I'm using the Mary Luminizer highlight and applying that to my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And then just going to finish up my eyes, and I'm just taking a black eyeliner going under my lower waterline and adding a little mascara to finish up. And then just grabbing this lipstick in Jennifer's Nude shade 370 and applying that directly to my lips. I decided not to line my lips first because I wanted more of a natural look, especially with bold eyes like these today. I'm then just setting my face with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. And this is my final look. Let me just do a quick outfit change for you guys. So this is my final look for today. I hope you all enjoyed my tutorial. It made me feel more like a Cleopatra vibe. I really enjoyed the way that it came out, and I actually wore this look out and a few people had admired it as well, and I wore the eyelashes out all night long just to see if they would fall off, and my review for that is that they do stay in place, and I actually adore the lashes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I do make new videos every Sunday, and hopefully a new Think Pink series will be coming out soon in inspiration for Valentine's Day. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.